Today, we're reading Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. Pete the Cat's wearing a Santa hat. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and Santa was ill. No! In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. Oh no. He has cold relief and some juice or some medicine. His temperature is high somehow, even though it's so cold. And you see it's 7:02 a.m., December 24th, Christmas Eve. Will Christmas be cancelled? Will it come to that? Never! Cried Santa. Let's go Pete the Cat. What's Pete the Cat's phone number? Oh, it doesn't say. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and all the good boys. He's surfing on the beach on December 24th. Is it like maybe he's in Australia? Because in Australia it's warm on Christmas. I'll do it, says Pete. And although I'm small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all.
Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all.
Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. Road trip, cried Pete. First stop, the North Pole. Key West, North Pole. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed all the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew just like in a movie. Then Pete the Cat cried, "This is totally groovy!" He's flying the reindeer in the minibus in the air. I can do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all.
Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all.
All the children were sleeping, all snug in their beds. Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete threw in a dash. Then back in the minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered the holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. My name's not on there. Why isn't my name on there? I was not naughty. Can you see your name? Kim, Emma, Bob, Abby? I can't see anyone else's name. Maybe it's just the top of the list, and you'll be able to see yourself if you go down. Santa's list was so big, and you felt so small. But the Santa you give, so good, so...
Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all.
Let me see if I can find my name. Ethan, Evan, Justin, Jack, Ansel, Anna, Alex, Janet, John, Jack, Sticky, Kim again, Jessica. Where's my name in the J section? Eric. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. And look, there's a mouse there. Then right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves in the townsfolk were all celebrating. Thank you, Pete! And look, that tiny weeny elf. He has a sign that says, "Small is cool." Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, hip hip hooray for our friend Pete the Cat. I did it, said Pete. And although I'm small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all.
Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all.
And look, the bird. He has a present that says to Pete. That's the end. So Pete hopped back onto his magic reindeer to have another visit to Santa. But what about Pete? I didn't see his name on the list. Did he give himself a present? Probably. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe for more books like the Pete the Cat series.